welcome back to this channel. This is another question I would like us to look into together. Solution: we have 8x all squared is equals to square root of 4 square root of 2 all into square. The very first thing I'm going to do, if I'm the one that see this question, is let me first look at, okay, what can I cancel? Because to me it's very obvious that something can easily cancel each other. And what is that? Let me open this bracket first. I have 8, this 2 multiplied by x, we are going to have 2x is equals to, now this is square root, this is square. They are going to cancel each other. This is what I mean. Whenever you have square root like this, 4 square root of 2 all square, simply means this can easily cancel this. So what is now the essence of them giving us as a question? Are you getting me? But if I don't know that they are going to cancel, I want to know, okay, what is the approach I'm going to use in getting it solved? Alright, from this, what are we going to have? We have a2x is equals to 4 square root of 2. The next thing we can do is, let's find means to remove this square root also. And what are we going to apply to remove this square root? It's very simple. Take square of both sides. You know, whenever you are taking square of both sides, the square root will go. Whenever you are taking square root of both sides, the square will go. Square and square root, it simply means you are multiplying 2 by 1 over 2, and that will give you 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Are you with me? So that is the reason why we are having just ordinary this here. So take square of both sides. Now we have 8 2x all square is equals to 4 square root of 2 all square. Are you with me? So when we take the square root, what are we now going to have? 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. So we have 8 4x is equals to, this will give us 4 square multiplied by square root of 2 square. You know, it is multiplication that is joining these two together. 4 square root of 2 is the multiplication that is joining them. So 4 will take its own, square root of 2 will also take its own, and that is our main purpose. We want to cancel out this square root. So from this we have 8 raised to the power 4x is equal to 4 square multiplied by 2. Now, what is 8 raised to the power 4x and what is this? Let's check it very well. Is there any relationship that we can use? Is there anything that we can easily apply to join all these numbers together? Yes, because we have 8, we have 4, and we have 2. There is a certain common factor that is common to the 3 number, which is what? Which is 2. 8 is 2 raised to the power 3 all into 4x is equals to, what is this 4? It's 2 square. So we have 2 square, then the square that is there, square multiplied by 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4. That's going to give us 12x is equals to 2 raised to the power 2 times 2. That will give us 4. Then multiply by 2 raised to the power 1. So we have 2 raised to the power 12x is equals to 2 raised to the power. Don't forget, when the base are equal, you add the power, and it's because we are multiplying. That is multiplicative law of indices. When the base are equal, you add the power. So we have 4 and 1, that is 5. Just straightforward. That is 5. So now from this place, the base are equal, you equate the power. So we have 12x is equals to 5. Divide 12 by what? By the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x simply means the number that is beside x. So when we divide 12 by 12, our x will now be what? 5 over 12. So that is just the simple approach in getting this particular question solved. Thank you very much.